Okay, right now we're doing data bricks, so we have a couple big projects going on from now till July. We're in the middle of data bricks. That customer, we have 2 Mountain View locations. One, we're doing like 32 access control doors and like 40 cameras. We're finishing that new construction, or like semi-new, it's like a remodel job. We're doing that project, then we're gonna jump back over to their first location. We did the cameras already, then we're gonna finish the access control. So we have data bricks, 2 buildings going. We have a couple other ones that we're really excited for. We have this company called the Buck Institute. This nonprofit company in Nevada, huge, crazy property. They're working on all different types of experiments. I went to visit them one time, and they have these like little flies, and these flies normally they live for like 1 day. Their whole life cycle is 1 day, but they have this new like protein they give them, and lets this same fly live for a week. But we have a huge project with them, man. We got like PTZ cameras outside, inside, outside, everywhere. We have Wine Bid, which is another big project coming up. 2 locations in Napa. We're going back to Vintage this week, or no, in 2 weeks, I think, to install a couple more cameras at that Vintage location. We're finishing up Calamaco in Stockton, which I think is going to finish late next week, which had 21 PTZs. 21 PTZs. I think I might be retiring one of my old Nissans, this little Nissan Envy. It's got one of my first vans. It's got almost 300,000 miles on it. That guy is on its way, getting towed to see if what's the matter with it. That one I might retire now that we got this new van. Right now, today we're at Peak Design, finishing up. They're doing some remodel. We installed this access control, and we ran all the wire about 300 feet one way into the IT room. They've now remodeled. We need to pull all the wires out of the IT room and rerun all the access control to the opposite side of the building. We're in the middle of that. We're going to jump fiber from one side to the next. And we have all those projects scheduled until the end of July. And we do have an DVD LED wall rollout that's coming, where we have to install LED walls in malls after hours in 8 states, and we have 30 days to do it and only 3 nights per state to do it. So we start in Arizona, Houston, Dallas, then we go to Chicago, Florida, and then 2 back in California. The final 2 are in Southern California and then Northern California. And these are big LED walls floating from the ceiling. We're going to disassemble them, put up the new ones in its place. And there's 2 double-sided per mall. And we just finished Madison Square Garden. We installed 2 LED walls at the new high-rise in the lobby, and then we installed 2 more LED walls at the 29th and 30th floor. But yeah, there's a lot going on right now. That's it. If we get the van wrapped. Yep.